Hello, my friends. It's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I wanted to show you something special today. I'm in the dark and I'm in my kitchen. So let me show you what happens as I approach my coffee corner here in my kitchen. And as I approach, these lights come on. Yeah, isn't that cool? So I just got these lights, and the reason I'm showing you them is because I'm going to show you how you can use them in other rooms, even your craft room. So you could use these anywhere in your house, closet, wherever you need some lighting. And so these are up, I install these under my cabinets, and I have a lip here under my cabinet. So I have a little indentation here. But even if you didn't, even if your cabinet was flat underneath where you had to install these on a, where you might see them in a little bit, they are really nice lights. See the nice flat design there? That's the whole light that you're seeing right there. See how it's so thin and very nicely designed. So these are motion sensor lights in this company. Here's the box that they came in. ASOKO or ASOKO LED under cabinet lighting. And they come in this box. They come with instructions, and they come with each light comes with its own charger cord. So this is a USB charger cord. And see, here's the little plug-ins. I did use this one for a minute just to make sure I had some charge in there. They did come charged when I opened the box, but I just wanted to make sure, they were charged a little bit and a little bit more. So I did use that one so far and just charged one of them. But yeah, they are motion sensor, and they are held up with, there's like 3M magnets that you put up under here. Let me take this one down over here, and I'll show you the magnets. See those little metal pieces? You peel off the back and put them up there. The instructions say to put them up there on your cabinet and let them sit for 8 hours, and then put your light on to make sure they're nice and adhered to your cabinet. And on the back of the light here I'm just going by the light of these lights right here so you can see how bright they are. But see the little magnet there on the back, or little, it's not a, well, it is a magnet, little magnets on the back of the light. Here's the whole shape of the light. It's very slim and hardly anything. And also there's a switch here that is on the light right there that you put on either on, off, or auto. And I have it on auto, so I put it up here on my cabinet so that I can, when you want to put it back up, you just adhere it, or not adhere it, just stick it to those magnets, and there it is, back up on my cabinet. So if I were to lose my electricity, I could take it into any other room in my house, and my walls are, sheetrock or drywall, and so I could stick this to a wall too, like in a closet. If I didn't have anywhere else to put it, I could put it on the wall, say in my closet, or maybe on the door. I don't know if I would put it on the door, but maybe I would probably put it on the wall if I could, and then as I walk in, the sensor would pick up that I'm there and turn on. So anyway, I'm going to have the link to these lights in my description box, so if you'd like to pick some up for your house, you can go directly from my link. But yeah, very cool. Now, so let me show you again. Let me show you on this one. You can, here is the little, there, let me dim it a little bit. There's a little fingerprint on here, and you put your finger on the fingerprint, and you can change the lighting to dimmer, or take it off and change it to brighter. See that? So that's the brightest, I think. And then let me dim it again so it's not too bright for you guys. Let me see where the little fingerprint is. There we go. Dim it a little bit more. And then right here, this little ball, there's a little like ball dome, little dome thing here. That's the sensor that, detects motion and turns on if you have it on auto. So let me brighten it up again. There, it's on bright. Okay, I'm going to take you into my craft room and show you how bright this is and how it lights up a room, besides what I've already shown you here in my kitchen. And now that's one light. So say you just want to get one and try it out. That's one light. Now, I'm showing you, let me take this light away. Yeah, that's one light. Isn't that a nice glow over my coffee maker in my kitchen? I can make coffee by that in the morning. I thought it would be nice so that I don't have to turn on the bright lights of my dining room and kitchen here and make coffee in the morning. I can come in, it'll sense me moving around here by my coffee maker, turn on for me, and let me show you how, since it turned off. I already showed you how it turns on, but so you just detects motion and there it turns on again. So let me take you into, I'm going to light my way with this other, see how bright it is? This other one that I'm carrying. I'm going to go into my craft room and show you. See, look, it's already lighting up my whole craft room here. No other lights are on in here except for, well, I see the light in my sewing machine is on, but that, that doesn't provide very much light. And I'll turn that off to show you. But I have my metal arm here that I put my camera on when I'm videoing. So I'm going to stick my light right there. Let me turn my sewing machine light off real quick. I want to show you this because it's really amazing. That little sewing machine light really wasn't providing any light. But look, it lights up my whole table here, and I could totally craft by this light if my electricity were out. And I'm showing you this because I have crafted by, like I brought a lantern in here or a candle or whatever when our electricity went off during Hurricane Michael. And I didn't have anything else to do. The electricity was off, so I couldn't do anything that used electricity. But let's turn it back on. Motion sensor. So when I'm crafting in here, if I were using this light to craft by, I would turn it on and not auto, so it doesn't go off. And I would do my crafting here. You can totally cut and glue with this, and do whatever you're doing at this table with this light on. And let me show you. Let me take you back and show you the whole craft room, how it lights up. Now let's see, my phone is not, I just was looking at the back of my phone. I don't have a flashlight or anything on my craft room and on my camera. So, that's not providing any light in here right now. Let me motion sense it again. So, yeah, so that, what you saw was all provided by this little light. Isn't that cool? So then you can, if you need it to carry it around during the time, if you lose your electricity, you can just carry it around with you, keep it wherever you are, your bedroom or whatever room you're in. I'm getting a new dishwasher, so ignore the stuff on my counter. My husband broke my dishwasher, so we had to get a new one. He's installing a new dishwasher right now. But yeah, and to put it back up, I just, attach it to those little metal pieces. Easy as that. And I want to thank ASOKO for asking me to demonstrate these. I was excited when they asked me, and I was even more excited when I got them because look at the results. I mean, I've kind of always thought about under cabinet lighting, but never got any. I didn't know if, some really nice lights would be expensive. I didn't want to get any cheapy ones, so anyway, these are nice and not expensive. So yeah, just check out the link. Let me turn the light back on, and you can get yourself some of these lights and use my link, and I will see you on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and have a great day.